Nokia has been adapting to the needs of an ever-changing world for over 155 years. From a single paper mill operation in 1865, Nokia has nurtured success over the years in a range of industrial sectors. Today, Nokia creates the technology to connect the world. In India, Nokia has been connecting people since 1995, the year when Indian telecom history was written, and the first GSM call was made on a Nokia handset over a Nokia network. From enabling growth of the 2G technology, bringing high-quality 3G services, pioneering 4G, to now steering India towards the 5G revolution, we have been an integral part of 25 years of mobile telephony in India. With an unmatched quality of products and services, 15,000 workforce, and a presence in almost all major telecom circles, Nokia currently leads the market share in the industry. Every single call in India touches a Nokia network element somewhere in the complete call flow. Today, 4 telecom operators rely on us to provide high-quality and far-reaching telecommunication. We also supply telecom infrastructure to the Indian Defence and Indian Railways and the Kolkata Metro. Our India presence goes beyond our customer operations, with manufacturing facilities in Chennai, global delivery centers in Noida and Chennai, and the R&D center in Bangalore, making India a global hub of innovation in telecommunication services and products for Nokia. We take pride in aligning ourselves with the Make in India mission and have invested over 2,200 crores in driving value creation in India. Our Chennai factory, established in 2008, is the largest telecom manufacturing facility in the country and is spread over 140,000 square meters. It manufactures all telecom equipment across technologies and was the first to manufacture 5G radio in the country. It is also India's first Industry 4 enabled factory. Today, 50% of the production is exported to over 100 countries. Our Bangalore R&D Center is one of the 4 global R&D sites for the company. It harnesses local talent for research in various global advanced telecommunication technologies such as cloud, big data analytics, IP, optical, and 5G. Nokia is also committed to developing communities in India, making over 1 million population in 350 villages disaster resilient, and aiming to bring the benefits of broadband to 500 villages in an integrated digital ecosystem.